What if the most important events in your life were the ones you never saw coming? In The Black Swan by Nassim Nicholas Taleb, we learn that rare, unpredictable events shape almost everything, yet we pretend we understand the world. Could ignorance be our deepest bias and our greatest blind spot? Taleb defines a black swan by 3 traits. It's rare, it has huge impact, and afterward, we invent stories to explain it. These events rewrite reality while we rush to make them sound predictable. We treat randomness as logic after the fact. Isn't hindsight the most dangerous kind of clarity? We drown in what we know and ignore what matters, the unknown. Like Umberto Eco's library of unread books, Taleb says wisdom isn't in knowledge but in awareness of ignorance. We chase details and miss what drives them. Our problem? We study pennies, not dollars. Humans crave order. So when chaos strikes, we rewrite it into neat stories. Taleb calls this the narrative fallacy, the instinct to explain the past and pretend it predicts the future. Stories soothe uncertainty, but hide truth. A turkey is fed for 1,000 days, each day proving humans are kind, until Thanksgiving. That's the danger of learning from patterns. We grow confident, right before we're wrong. Most systems collapse exactly when they seem most stable. Complacency makes prediction lethal. Experts forecast oil prices, elections and recessions, yet can't predict next week's surprises. Taleb shows why. Models ignore rare events, the very ones that matter. We build maps and mistake them for territory. Prediction breeds the illusion of control, never control itself. Most of life used to belong to mediocristan, predictable worlds where no single outcome dominates. But modern life lives in extremistan, where one random event rewrites the story. A single invention, crash, or tweet can shift everything. We keep using bell curves in a world of earthquakes. Taleb calls the bell curve the great intellectual fraud. It comforts us with smooth averages, then blinds us to volatility. In extremistan, one outlier outweighs millions of normal cases. The curve hides the teeth of randomness and lulls us into false safety. We reward those who react to disasters, not those who prevent them. The unknown hero who stopped 9/11 would have been forgotten. We celebrate noise and miss the quiet acts that saved us. Prevention has no glory, only proof that nothing happened. Taleb warns, the world isn't a casino. Games have fixed rules. Life doesn't. Mathematical neatness fails when reality refuses to play fair. The nerd's dice are useless in the storm of chance. You can't predict black swans, but you can design to benefit from them. Become anti-fragile. Gain from volatility, not fear it. Like evolution, grow stronger through shocks. Randomness can punish the rigid and reward the flexible. Taleb's solution: protect most of what you have, but take small, wild bets with the rest. Stay safe, but stay open to luck. Avoid the middle, where risk hides behind comfort. Balance caution with curiosity. That's real strength. We demand certainty from a world built on surprise. Taleb reminds us, the future is not to be known, but prepared for. True wisdom isn't prediction, it's humility. Can you live peacefully with not knowing? The world is moved by the improbable. Stop predicting. Start positioning. The wisest person isn't the one who knows, but the one who's ready when no one else is.